Hey guys, this is Paul. I totally did not already do this intro with the microphone in the wrong place. On today's video, we have a guest. We have Andry here, and he does like travel videos and stuff, like vlogging, all that good stuff on his channel. So if you like to watch vlogs, which I know half of you guys like because I do them and you love them, his channel is going to be somewhere on some corner of the screen somewhere. You'll see it. It'll pop up. What are like your top 5 travel tech tips?
Top 5 travel tech tips. So
it's like a lot of alliteration right there.
top five travel tech tips.
Yeah.
TTTT.
It's like
TTF.
Too many T's.
Too many
T's
of that.
everywhere.
So I actually came up with a list that Paul has no idea what they are. But
Genuine.
yeah, so
Genuine reaction.
the first thing is this backpack. Paul has a link to this that he can put in his bio or into the description. This is a KO pack. It's like the knockoff version. And the reason why I got this is, if you guys can see or not, there's no zipper in the front. Okay, and especially if you're traveling to somewhere where you can get mugged or people like try to pickpocket you, especially in Europe, which we went to. Link of the video in the bio.
Shameless plug.
Shameless plug. So this has no place where you can unzip it from the front, right? All the stuff is in the back.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so you unzip it here. On this side, you got like a
Mini compartment.
Yeah, mini compartment. It's actually super huge. So this is the entire thing right here.
That is big.
Yeah, you can fit a lot in here. So you got like a laptop compartment here. You got several pockets on the side. Got a little pen stuff here.
Would this fit in here?
Oh yeah, totally.
Yeah, it's like it fit like a 15-inch. That's cool.
You can fit so much in here. It's ridiculous, and it's got about 3 or 6 different compartments you can put stuff in, which is really, really awesome. That's tip number 1: is getting this backpack or backpack like this. There are several others like. The second tip is also an object, and it's a shirt. Okay, so the reason why I suggest using this shirt is for one reason only. It's because of this pocket right here. So this pocket actually goes right over like your chest area here, and it can fit your ID, your passport. It can fit like your ticket and everything.
The essentials.
Exactly. The reason why I say have this is because the last thing I want to do when I'm going through a security line is like fumble around and say, oh, I gotta take this out. So what I do is I put all my essentials, which is my ticket, wallet, phone, all in here. That way, when they tell me to take stuff off, I can just take this. It's kind of a sweater, really. I take this sweater off, and all my stuff's already there, and I don't have to put it in a separate compartment. So it's just very efficient. Just boom, you're good to go.
That's pretty cool.
So that's something I learned when I was traveling with my wife, and I just happened to have this shirt as well as a coat that had that. It was just perfect. So we breezed through security with that.
That's pretty awesome, actually. That's a great tip right there.
Yeah.
Save a lot of time.
Oh, heck yeah. The next thing, so this backpack, it has this little pouch to the side. And this is really cool because this is where I can put my wallet, my phone, anything important. It's really easy to grab. And inside of it is, of course, portable battery charging pack. Now, this to like me and you, this is like of course you have to have this, right?
Oh yeah.
Some people who may not be as big of techies or some people who don't think about it, forget that you need these kind of things.
Yeah.
So the reason why, you don't have to get this exact one. It's portable, it's small, it's heavy, right? It's like, how heavy do you think that would be?
Maybe like a pound or 2.
1 pound?
Like that's actually pretty light for a portable charging pack.
Yeah.
I've held a few of these, and the construction is amazing too. It feels like, is this metal? Like it feels like metal. Yeah. For being metal, this is actually pretty light.
Yeah, and the battery life is about 12 hours. And it only charges once you plug it in.
Do you know how many milliamp hours this thing has? It probably says on here somewhere.
I am not that technical. We used it a lot while we were in Europe.
I'm loving the segues. That they're really impressive.
How I roped in the backpack and everything?
Yeah.
Well, then you'll love this next one, okay? So yeah, just don't forget when you travel, get one of these. Charge it like it's your phone, because you never know when your phone will die and when you might need it. Okay? Put that in there. So, the next thing that you'll need when you travel is this. This thing right here. It's a converter, like an outlet converter, right?
Ooh. Yeah, because Europe has different kinds of plugs.
Right.
Yeah.
Some people don't think about that. Europe has a lot of different plugs. So Italy has a different kind, but Italy can take the same ones that France does, and they're like round ones. And then Switzerland takes a completely different plug. It's weird. The reason why I like this converter is because it has 2 American outlets as well as 2 USB inputs.
Oh, that's nice.
Right, so you can plug it like essentially your phone, Apple Watch, computer, and the doohickey here.
Everything at once.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. The last tip I would give for traveling tech-wise is if you are not a photographer or if you don't know the basics of photography, I would highly suggest speaking to a local photographer who you appreciate, who you like, and it's kind of like supporting an artist, right? Especially if they do it full time. And they can teach you the basics of photography and the basics of how to capture a picture, framing, ISO, aperture. If these are all foreign to you, you can talk to your local photographer. They'll teach you how. That way, when you take pictures, 1, you'll get your artistic game on, and 2, you'll be able to capture things that matter to you down the line. If you live in Indianapolis, my wife's a professional photographer. She does that service. Paul will put her information right here.
Another shameless plug by Andry.
I'm just plugging away. Plug. That's it.
You don't
promise that's the last one.
You
That's
don't
the
like
last
edit
one.
this out. Like just nope, not letting them do that plug again. Guys, I hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up. If the video sucked, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, just like tech stuff, tech tips, all that stuff, consider subscribing to the channel.
Do it.
It's like Nike. You gotta just do it.
Do it.
Yeah.